How you doing? Dave Johnson, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Dave Johnson. Put her there. Nice to see you again. I'm back. He's back. Who is he?
I'm back.
Tyler Broad, welcome to the studio.
Hey, thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.
Thanks for coming up.
Yeah.
Broad came up from White Salmon to help us bring you some information. You know, or is it fake, is it real? But we're back to show you a new series called the How To series, brought to you by KAVU. And you asked the question earlier.
Yeah. What does the U stand for?
Unbelievable.
That's
what it stands for.
Okay.
And we're going to take it kind of far. We give you some life hack. Quick. Bing, bam, boom. Not take too much of your time. There's a lot of information out there, and we wanted to simplify things and have kind of a how-to video series. How to do... Oh! Did you just see that?
No.
Well, we're not going to teach you how to do that. A lot out there, some 2-minute or a little longer if it's very in-depth, but how-to videos that are going to fire you up to be a little bit on the screen time, but be more on the outside time.
Right. I like it. I like it. And what sort of things might we learn here on this series?
So we'll go ahead and run through some ideas, like how to make a pivot table on Excel.
Or how to land an airplane.
Or how to peel an onion.
Or how to weld a kayak.
How to sharpen an ice axe.
Shotgun a LaCroix.
Drop in on a skate ramp.
Roll a kayak.
Make a skate spot. That's yours.
Start a fire.
How to put a fire out.
How to make a fire bigger.
How to make a glasses retainer.
How to drive a car with one hand sitting backwards.
That might have some legal regulations. How to get yourself out of jail.
How to properly speak with police officers so you don't go to jail. What about like simple things like how to like open a beer bottle with almost anything?
You got a beer. Why don't you go ahead and show me that?
Oh, that's a great idea.
Turns out there's a beer right here.
There. Amazing.
Almost anything.
Yeah.
How about this Seattle, instead of snow globes around here, we got rain globes.
This looks a little tricky. It's got some rounded edges, but what you really want to do when you're opening a beer bottle, grab it just like you would drink it, and what you want to do is use your finger as a fulcrum. I see a nice edge right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead, put my finger here, go down just a little bit, use my finger as a fulcrum, and pop the beer bottle.
Pop goes the dynamite.
And it's cool. You don't have to be a professional athlete to have a cool thing that you know how to do that's a little bit unique, a little bit different. So we'd also like to invite all of you to let us know something that you think is a good tip or a trick that we might be able to share. Go ahead, smash that like button.
Smash that like button.
Smash it. Just do it right now. Smash that like button. Just any sort of like little tips, tricks. It's nice as you go through life, you learn things that make your life, a lot more simple. Yeah, I could show you how to make a duct tape retainer for some chums. A recent party trick of mine that I've really been enjoying is shotgunning LaCroix. They're really fun. Kids can do it, it's non-alcoholic.
It's good to have the kids be able to do it.
It helps you hydrate, It's a fun way to hydrate in the middle of a party.
Bam, water down.
This is a really good trick. You don't need any special tools to pop a hole in it. All that you want to do, put your thumb right there on the LaCroix, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to headbutt my thumb through this LaCroix.
No. Say no more.
And so what you want to do, you don't want to bring the LaCroix to your head. You actually want to bring your forehead down onto your thumb to shotgun the LaCroix.
Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Okay. So
this is how it's done.
Line it up.
Right here. Okay.
Go straight.
All right. We're going to shotgun a LaCroix.
What a party trick. That's how it's done.
That's how it's done.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Just
like that.
Just like that.
Yeah.
So we're going to get the hole.
Go a little more into it. Yep. There you go. Not so close to the edge down there.
Right there.
Yep. Here, you want me to hold the mic for you?
I've never practiced. I'm going to hit my head into here, huh?
Yep.
Oh! Dude, that thumb hurts so bad. I think the problem I had was I brought the LaCroix to my head. I think that's what does it hurt your thumb when you do it?
No, sure.
My thumb hurts a lot right now.
Start with a freshie.
Freshie's better?
Yeah. No, and remember, boom. You gotta bring your head into it. You gotta really headbutt the thing.
I'm not gonna, it's not for me.
Okay, this isn't for everybody. But you were good. You can see that T. Lee made a little dent there, and
it really quickly brings us to a good point. If there's any injuries because of these videos, we are not liable. So that one's it's on you to go ahead and try the how-to. That one's on you.
gonna go ahead and get a fresh.
Gotta get a freshie again.
Yeah. So all you do, put your thumb right there.
That's all you do.
On the LaCroix can, and you just headbutt your thumb through the can.
It's just that easy. That's how easy it is. We're excited to kick off this new series.
Drop a comment if you feel like it. Let us know what you'd like to see or learn how to do. Hit that like button, smash that, poof, right there.
Subscribe. Fire it up.
Fire it up. It's so funny. Smash it. Just do it right now. Smash that like button. Right here. Smash it. Right there. I think